In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Mailchimp. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, making it easy to keep your audience up to date with your events. We'll start by exploring Mailchimp's built-in event management features. While this might be enough for some users, others may prefer to manually add Google Calendar links directly into their emails for a more customized approach. I'll guide you through how to add these links step by step. First, you'll need a Google Calendar event link. To get this, open your Google Calendar in your web browser. If you haven't already created the event you want to include, go ahead and set up a new one. Click on Create and fill in the details for your event. Consider things like the event name, date, time, and any additional information your recipients will find useful. Once your event is created, click on More Options to access the full event details. Here you'll find the Join with Google Meet section. If you're not hosting a virtual meeting, simply ignore this part and look for the button to Copy Event Link. This link is a crucial piece as it allows recipients to easily save your event to their own calendars with just a click. The next step is to integrate this link into your Mailchimp email campaign. Head over to Mailchimp and start by creating a new email campaign. Navigate through the options until you reach the email editor page. This is where you can design the look of your email and include all pertinent details. To add your Google Calendar link, you'll want to either insert a new button or hyperlink in the body of your email. A button can make the link stand out, making it more visible to your audience, while a hyperlink seamlessly integrates into your text. The choice of using a button or hyperlink depends on your email design style and what you believe will be most effective for your audience. Once you've decided, simply paste the event link into the designated URL field for your button or hyperlink. It's a good practice to include a clear and concise call to action, something like add this event to your calendar, which prompts users to click the link. And there you have it. Your recipients will now be able to easily add your event to their personal calendars, helping to ensure a higher attendance rate and better engagement with your content. With these steps, you can keep your audience informed and organized, all while leveraging the power of Mailchimp and Google Calendar seamlessly. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in simplifying your event management workflow.